Dolby Atmos is basically surround sound on steroids, I call it. So when you go to a movie theater, it's basically pretty much a 7.1 mix, but you have it around you. But the Dolby Atmos has a new ceiling speaker configuration over you, so you can hear helicopters flying over you. You can have that new experience of what actually is going on top. And so that for like theatrical films, that's very important, and you're just like, your senses are going crazy. So you have surround around you, and you have the top layer as well. Especially for the indie artists, to have Dolby Atmos on your production and release is very, very appealing to people. The home consumer, all of their new technology is going to be Dolby Atmos headphones. Even home theaters can have a scaled down version of Dolby Atmos, but so for me, bad sound quality in video is the Achilles heel on how your project looks and when it's delivered. You have major specs you have to meet, also for surround sound, for broadcast, and for film festivals. So you have to be very attuned to those things. With those specs, and also you have to be knowing that the audience is very smart. They might not know what's wrong. Example, the room ambience is wrong, or they're in a car but it sounds like ADR. So those details are very important. But what I get a lot is dialogue cleanup. You have to do noise reduction. You have to make them crisp. You have to make them tangible and understand when you have music beds over them and all the sound effects. So we spend a lot of time on dialogue, and we take out every hit of a lab mic, anything that is coming into the mic, and we make that pristine as possible. And it really advances the quality of the film. If you're a student at Trafsonic, you will get hands-on training, but you will also learn tips and tricks how to perfect your craft. What is your niche? So we want to find what your niche is and tailor that and bring that to life. So if you're not sure what you want to do in audio, we look at it as a studio is a candy store. You try every little thing, try every flavor, and find exactly what you're passionate about, because it's all about passion. If you're not passionate about something, you're not going to stick with it. I've been doing this for 20 years, and I felt like I just started yesterday, because every day I'm learning something new. So as long as we're learning something new, we're having fun at it, the sky's the limit.